In this video, I'll be going over why you should be watching qubits right now for a potential entry on a large move. This is D-Wave Quantum Inc., a very good quantum play right now. So previously, I'd made a video on qubits around here, right around here on this breakout day. I'd actually bought into it. Um, there's just really tight volume during the handle, and then on the breakout, you had a bit of an accelerated volume. Um, really, really nice play there. And I played that up to, let me just draw the 1.618. I think I played it up to, I sold my first portion at 16, and then my second portion somewhere around here, 18, 19. I can't remember exactly, but I wanted to sell into strength because it was such a strong move up so quick. This was a 63% move in, 4 days. Let me do that more proper. In, yeah, 6 days, a 60% move. So here we have another type of basing that it's made with tightening volume and then volume picking up again. And then today it seems to be a tight day on this retracement. So here's what I call an early entry point. On a base, you have the classic base high, break point, pivot, whatever you want to call it, right? When it breaks out of that, it's a base breakout. I like to define a zone closest to the breakpoint as the early entry point zone. And a lot of the time, on a retest of this zone, you can get a nice entry before the actual breakout. In my last video about shop, I talked about asymmetrical leverage, how if you get a lower entry and make that entry risk-free and profit secured, the next entry you take, depending on the profit you have secured, can be completely risk-free. So you're getting another entry risk-free off of your previous risk-free entry. So something like that could really work with qubits here. An entry on this early entry point, and then you get a breakout. Say you get a breakout like this. Here, I'll turn it green. And then boom, you can enter again around here and place your stop loss, here or here, wherever you'd like, depending on how you'd like to play it. But this is a really good opportunity for a buy on qubits, and I think everyone should be watching qubits right now. I mean, it's quantum. Everyone's got their eyes on quantum, and qubits has very good fundamental factors as well. Accelerated earnings and what was their last earnings and sales surprise? 43% and 45%. Really good fundamental metrics, as well as crazy technical metrics where prices moved up from $7 to $19 in the last run up. So, if I draw a 1.618, which this isn't an exact price target, but I kind of view it as the first stop of a strong move. We could see an easy move to $23, which would be about a 15% increase, a 19% increase, sorry, from the break point, and then from the early entry point, it would be a 25% increase. So that's my qubits breakdown and why I think you should be watching it right now. Thanks for watching. If you found value, please like and subscribe, and you can follow my X account at Conrad Trading.